Good morning, I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon, bringing you the marine and weather forecast for your area, and this is for the 20th of December 2023. Right now there is a high surf warning that is in effect for Antigua and Barbuda. Also we're looking at a high surf warning in effect for Anguilla and also the British Virgin Islands, while a high surf advisory is in effect for St. Kitts Nevis and also Montserrat. Now what is contributing to these conditions? We are looking right now at an area of low pressure which is located well to the north of the region. However, this area of low pressure continues to generate some swells that are reaching our coastal waters, particularly north and east of Anguilla, the Antigua and Barbuda, the British Virgin Islands as well. Now these swells at times are peaking up to 10 feet, and again particularly in the coastal waters north and east of the islands, while we are looking for the swells peaking up to about 7 feet or so in the coastal waters north of St. Kitts Nevis and also Montserrat. And so again there's a high surf warning that is in effect for Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla and also the British Virgin Islands, while a high surf advisory is in effect for St. Kitts Nevis and Montserrat. Of course, these swells are creating some dangerous surfs, and for certain types of activities that could be impacted by the surf, we're looking at sea bathers, we're looking at individuals who are into perhaps rock fishing, and also we are looking at snorkelers, and some conditions are just not right at this point in time or safe at this point in time for those kinds of activities to take place, again particularly in the waters north and east of the islands. Well, right now we are seeing over the next several days, this is what will happen in terms of the swells. Again, we'll have 10-foot swells continue to move into our waters for the remainder of Wednesday. On Thursday we expect swells to peak up to about 9 feet, and on Friday we could see swells peaking up to 7 feet. So a high surf advisory will be in effect for the islands on Friday. For Thursday and Wednesday we're looking at high surf warnings in effect again for Antigua, for Barbuda and also Anguilla and the British Virgin Islands, while we would have high surf advisories in effect for St. Kitts and Nevis and also Montserrat for all 3 days. Let's now have a look at what's happening across the northeastern Caribbean in terms of showers. Well, we're not seeing much showers right now because dry air continues to sit over the area, and so this is really restricting shower activity across the region. Therefore, over the next 24 hours, for the remainder of today and the next 24 hours, we are looking at generally sunny skies prevailing during the day, while during the nights we're looking for mostly fair skies with hardly any showers expected for the next 24 hours. Also, we are seeing our winds shifting to the northeast over the next 24 hours, and what this simply means is that we're anticipating some cooler air to move into the area. Already we are seeing our overnight lows dropping to about 18 degrees Celsius or 64 degrees Fahrenheit across sections of Antigua and Barbuda. However, that could drop a little bit lower over the next 24 hours simply because we expect the winds to shift to the northeast, bringing quite a bit of cool air into the region. Also, because we are anticipating some cloudless nights as well, we expect quite a lot of radiational cooling to take place, and so that combination will simply cause our temperature lows to drop to in the teens. We could have our low dropping to as low as 17 degrees Celsius over the next couple of nights. And so this is what we are anticipating for the remainder of the day across the region. For Antigua, Barbuda, Montserrat, St. Kitts Nevis, we're looking at mostly not partly sunny, but mostly sunny skies prevailing with just about a 10% chance or slight chance of showers. The temperature high for Antigua would get up to about 31 degrees Celsius or 88 degrees Fahrenheit, while for Montserrat we're looking at a high of 27 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. For St. Kitts Nevis we're looking at a high of 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees Fahrenheit. As for Anguilla and the British Virgin Islands, well, we're not seeing much change to the other islands. Mostly sunny skies will prevail for today, and we are looking at a high of 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit for both of those islands. Well, that's it for the latest weather and marine forecast. I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon. Do continue to have a pleasant day.